Would you rather pay top dollar for somebody else's taste, or buy the worst looking villa on the best street and turn it into exactly what you want? In this video, I'll show you why a tired villa in Jolly Harbour is actually a smart buy, and how you can turn what looks like a problem into a personal waterfront project with serious upside. Look, I'm not going to pretend that this villa is perfect. The kitchen is dated, the cabinets have had their time, the floors and walls, they need love. But that is exactly why it's so interesting. What you're really buying here isn't an old kitchen, you're buying space, layout and location. You've got a long, full-size kitchen wall, perfect for brand new contemporary kitchen, with a big island in the middle, maybe stone counters, matte hardware and integrated appliances. Rip this out, redo the lighting, smooth the ceilings, and then suddenly you have a bright, modern chef's kitchen that opens straight onto your living room and dining space. Right now it feels crowded and a bit tired, but imagine this: clean walls, a big L-shaped sofa facing the water, low modern furniture instead of heavy wicker, maybe a feature wall with artwork or timber cladding. Add recessed dimmable lighting and update fixtures, and this entire room becomes a cool, coastal living space that flows right out to the dock. You're not fighting with someone else's renovation, you're starting with a blank canvas. And this is the part you can't renovate or replicate anywhere else: the waterfront. You step out of your living room and you're straight onto your dock, with your boat right there on the Marina. Sunrise coffees on the terrace, sunset drinks watching the light on the water, and when your friends visit you just say, "Just tie up outside." That's the lifestyle you're really buying. Upstairs is the same story. The bedrooms are generous, the ceilings are high and the light is fantastic, but the finishes are from another era. New floors, fresh wardrobes, modern doors, simple linens, and then suddenly you've got 2 hotel-style suites instead of 2 old Caribbean bedrooms. And because you're the one doing it, you can choose the style. Do you like clean white and oak? Maybe bold and dark and moody tones? Or full beach house with textures and rattan? So why does it make sense to take on a project here specifically? Because we're in Jolly Harbour on Antigua's west coast, one of the most complete resort communities in the Caribbean. Within this gated community, you already have an 18-hole golf course, a sports centre with tennis, squash and pickleball, gym, communal swimming pool, supermarket with international brands. There's a pharmacy, bank, car rental, lots of restaurants and bars, all within a walk or a quick golf ride away from your door. And it's not standing still. Jolly Harbour is in the middle of a major upgrade. New gym and wellness facilities, a container-style village with shops and eateries, and redesigned racket courts are all being added, along with improvements to the entrance and golf course, all moving Jolly Harbour toward a more modern luxury marina feel. And then there's the big one. Just down on Jolly Beach, minutes from this villa, the ultra-luxury Nikki Beach Antigua Resort and branded residences are coming, with chic beach club spa, multiple pools and super yacht access, bringing the iconic Nikki Beach lifestyle right here to the west coast. That means more high-end visitors, more buzz, more restaurants and nightlife, and very likely more demand and higher values for well-finished villas in Jolly Harbour. So here's the play. You buy this villa below the price of a fully renovated one. You put your money into the parts that really matter: layout, finishes and outdoor spaces. You end up with a customized waterfront home in a gated marina with full amenities, walking distance to one of Antigua's best beaches and right next to what's becoming the island's hottest luxury strip. Live in it full time, use it as a holiday home, or create a high-end rental for the new wave of guests coming for Nikki Beach, the golf and the marina lifestyle. So no, this isn't the prettiest villa in Jolly Harbour yet. But if you're the kind of person who can see past old cabinets and tired tiles, if you like the idea of creating your own design instead of paying for somebody else's, then this is your opportunity. The worst looking villa in the best location is always the smartest buy. If you're ready to turn a project into a dream waterfront home and be here for the future of Jolly Harbour and Nikki Beach Antigua, then this is the one you need to see.